Welcome to the service clinic at Low Country Harley-Davidson. I'm Doc Harley. First of all, I want to say thank you to all of you out there that have taken the time to come on by to Low Country Harley-Davidson in Charleston, South Carolina, just to talk with me. I've had some fantastic conversation, and one comes to mind with Lee Clark. Lee Clark stopped in with his wife, and they were talking about their ride and talking about his bike, and we got on the subject of how important it is to have your suspension set up perfectly for you when you ride. And he said, "Doc, can you come on out to my bike?" And I said, "Sure." And so we came out to the bike, and we came out to the left side, and he undid his left side saddlebag, and he turned it over. Old school. He had taken a label maker, and he had figured out that 25 PSI was perfect for him. Nice cushy ride. But then when his wife rode on the weekends, they'd up it to 37, and that was the perfect air in his air suspension that would give them a nice soft ride but not bottom out on it. And I thought, yeah, everybody out there that's watching this video has an iPhone, has an iPad, and you can write in a folder and all that. But me, if I'm going to go ride for a weekend, I sometimes leave this thing at home because I really want to be unplugged. And so it's real easy to go, hey, it's 25 PSI, I'm going to check it. And so I reach down, I always carry it, and I hook it up on the left side where the inlet is, and I can hook this up to it and then check it and see if I got 25 or, oh man, I took a ride last Sunday with my wife. I got to bring it back down to 25. So yes, it's old school, but I love old school, and a simple label inside your saddlebag can help you keep a perfect ride for the weekend. I'm Doc Harley. We'll see you next week.